In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom add to cart button in WooCommerce. So in order to do that, first head over to woocommerce.com and then click on the start here right there or this get started right here. Now from in there, you can just create an account by using that. You can also head over and log in once you already have an account. Now let's head over and use WordPress to host WooCommerce. Click on the get started right here or click on login right here as well. Since I already have an account, let me head over and log in to both of them. Now here is my actual dashboard. So as you can see on my WooCommerce or on my WordPress, I have in here my WooCommerce. Now in order to add a custom add to cart, what we can do is we can utilize by adding or installing a new plugin. Head over to the plugins option and click on this add plugin. Once you have done that, the next thing we need to do is to actually head over and search for add to cart option. You can actually use custom add to cart plugin or you can also use Plugify. So head over and search in here for add to cart. Search. And then after that, we should be able to see in here some search results that actually can have that. We have in here the add to cart redirect. We also have Ajax as well as this add to cart button with custom text. So just choosing here which one you wish to use for this case. So alternatively, you can also head over and then use the WooCommerce custom add to cart plugin. You can do so by going over to the add to cart option and adjusting it directly from the WordPress. So you have options right here by installing the plugin or by editing it directly into your WordPress account wherever you want to actually have it ready. So you can also use code snippets if you would want. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.